There's more. Can you count, please?
1, 2, 3, 4. It's moving another fish.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
It's done.
How many jellyfish na?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, has only go.
Oh, Danny, let's go. Kiss si Mama first. I love you, honey.
I'm mommy.
I love you.
Hi. How's my baby?
Di ba uuwi nga sana kami ng Pilipinas noong May, pero na-cancel lahat dahil sa COVID. So, hindi ko na siya tinuloy, hindi ko na lang pinadala. Good afternoon! Maligayang pagbabalik sa ating channel. It is Wednesday afternoon and it's currently 5 o'clock. And before ko pipick upin ang ating baby girl, ay nagkape muna ako guys. Kasi kakatapos ko lang magtrabaho. And umupo muna ako kasi pa-stretch. Bisaya kayo eh. Pa-stretch muna ba? Ayan, so nagkape muna ako. Tingnan nyo, nagkape sa atin yun ng hapon. Iba talaga to sa atin yung kumusta tayong lahat guys? Anong ginagawa natin ngayon? Kami dito sa Melbourne ay still lockdown pa rin. And I can't believe na we still have at least 5 weeks to go sa aming stage for lockdown. So, very boring sa weekend. Sa weekdays, it's okay kasi meron naman kaming mga trabaho. So, you know, we keep ourselves busy. But yeah, ipakita ko muna to sa inyo guys. So, natanggap to ni Daddy Mike today. Kasi nga hindi na kami nakakaalis. Yung mga shops ay closed. Pasensya na, ang ating daddy ay may kinakausap sa phone. Very noisy. Very maingay. So, yun na nga guys. Hindi kami nakakaalis. Hindi kami nakakapunta ng mga shops. So, yung ginagawa namin ni Daddy Mike ay nag-online shopping na lang kami pag may gusto kaming bilhin. And, yeah, dumating to siya today. And ito yung laman. Bumili si Daddy Mike nito. Ayan. So, ang tawag nito guys, sweatshirt. Pullover sweat. Ayan. Ito yung brand niya guys. Oh, Lecoq. Lecoq Sportif. Ayan. And in size, medium. Magkano to? Gee, $90. But for sure, I think I heard Daddy said na nabili daw to niya on sale. So, hindi siguro ito yung totoong price niya. Ayan. Kasi nang dumating to kanina, sabi ni Daddy Mike na, do you wanna have a look at our jumper? Kasi jumper yung tawag nila sa ganito dito sa Australia, guys. Ayan. So, sabi niya, gusto mong tingnan yung ating... Kasi alam na alam niya na susuotin ko rin to. Nag-share kasi ako ng mga gamit ni Daddy Mike kasi hindi masyadong malaki ba. Ayan, so, pag sinuot ko to siya, parang baggy lang siya sa akin. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. So, pag nagbili siya ng ganito, ibig sabihin, nagbili siya para sa amin. Hindi man masyadong kita. Ayan, oh. So, pag sinuot ko to, oh, suotan ko lang siya ng shorts, tapos, ano, ang tawag nito, yung sneakers. Oh, di, daog na. So, hindi ko na kailangan bumili si Daddy Mike na lang yung pabili ko. But yeah, this looks nice. Sobrang ganda ng tela niya. Anyways, I might have to make a move now, guys, kasi anong oras na naghihintay ng ating baby girl ngayon. Bugnaw naman yung akong kape, oy. Ha? Yeah. Si Daddy Mike ay nag-sign, nag-kissing-kissing sign siya, ganyan-ganyan siya sa may kausap kasi siya sa phone. Anyways, guys, I'll speak to you again very soon. Nakalabas na ako mga loves. Tingnan nyo ang aking jacket. Ay, suot ko na naman ang aking pinakamakapal. Check natin. Ay, wala man. Hala, mahangin na siya pa. Oh, tingnan nyo ang aking buhok ay lumilipad-lipad. Tapos ang ating sasakyan pala ay normally, diba dito ko pinapark. Pero may nakapark na iba. So, doon nakapark ang ating car. Dito na ako ngayon sa sasakyan, guys. And alam nyo, dito ko iniiwan ang aking mask. Ayan. So, hindi ko na siya dinadala sa loob ng bahay. Kasi nakakalimutan ko minsan ba. ma-fine pa tayo. Kailangan ko lang naman talaga siya kapag nasa labas ako. So, dito ko iniiwan para hindi ko makalimutan ba. And now, before tayo magdadrive, yung ginagawa ko guys habang nagdadrive ako, nakikinig ako ng ating radio sa Pilipinas na radyo ba. So, may app ako guys. Yung pangalan niya ay Simple Radio. Tapos, may tatlo. Hindi mo siya makita, guys. Pero may tatlong radio station ako na pinapakinggan. So, the first one is the Wish FM 107.5. Gustong-gusto ko yan. And also, nakikinig din ako sa MOR Cebu 97.1 kasi ngayong bestie ko taga Cebu siya. Siya yung nagsabi sa akin ito. And then the last one is yung Wild FM Iligan 103.1 Iligan City. And you know what guys, kung bakit hinanap ko talaga tong Wild FM Iligan? Kasi may nakita ako sa sa YouTube na si Sugar Dolly. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung segment niya guys ba, pang hugot-hugot bitaw, tapos I really love her voice. Nakaka-inlove talaga yung boses niya. So ngayon, yung papakinggan natin ay yung Wild FM Iligan. Tapos kasi pag play ko sa phone guys, kumo-connect siya sa sa sasakyan. Tingnan, i-on natin na, nagkurog-kurog. I-on natin ang sasakyan, tapos i-play natin.
Nag-encourage mo ang
Ayan, napapakinggan niyo ba guys? Yan si Sugar Dolly, yan yung pinapakinggan ko palagi.
Pag-wear sa
Miss Paris!
It's a worm.
Where's the worm? Where?
It's in there. And the bee.
And the bee! Wow! Let's go get your bag na so we can go. Dito sila sa room na to ngayon.
Divan.
Ah, what's that knock?
It's somewhere.
What's this? Oh my god, what's this knock?
That's fine.
What is that?
No more. It's
What's this one, babe? What's this?
bee.
Bee. What's this one?
Sapphire.
Butterfly. How about this? Paris Deco? What's this?
Zebra.
Ladybug. Oh, come on, let's go now.
Mommy.
What's your bag?
No, mommy.
Wait, we gotta go because Daddy's waiting at home. Baby girl.
Mommy. You got that on the bee.
Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow, my love.
No.
Hala, you gonna stay here? You wanna live here?
Mommy, come with us.
Come na, they're closing. More flower? What happened to the flowers?
It's broken.
It's broken. Yeah, they're gone. No more flowers.
There's more flowers.
Oh, there's more. Yes, there's more.
There's more.
That's right. Wow, that's nice. That's very nice. Achoosh! Oh, here's the jellyfish snack. It's where they moved it.
This is the fish.
Say bye-bye, jellyfish.
This is the fish.
How many? Can you count?
There's more.
There's more. Can you count, please?
1, 2, 3, 4. It's moving another fish.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
It's done.
How many jellyfish now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Pataka. There's only two.
Right there.
Come, let's go.
No.
Where's Daddy?
And this
In the house. Just a little bit. That's it. Enough. Put it back on the table. Shush. Nagkaabot. Be, have a look at Mama B. Is it clean? Is it clean? Be, show Mama. Oh, sige na. Wash na. Hands. Good job.
my hand help.
No more. Finish na. Clean. You wanna clean Mama's face?
That's
Clean na Mama's face.
it's called cream.
Kisa si Mama lagi.
Didi.
Uy. Kisa si Mama. Kiss Mama. How's school na?
No, no,
How's
no, no.
Wala, maldita mga bata. Baba. Kisa si Mama.
Mommy, no, no, I want to go.
Oh, Dani, let's go. Kiss si Mama first. I love you, honey.
I'm mommy.
I love you, mommy. Do you want to open the door?
Yes.
Careful. Good girl. Wow, careful na. Sure sa si mama sa imong outfit, be? Ala, tanaw si mama sa outfit na. Parehas kami ng jacket, guys, oh. Mama will open it.
No, Mommy, Paris.
Do you know how to open it? No, this one. Push this. Good girl. Dagan-dagan na siya, oh. So makikita niya ang kanyang daddy na. Run, baby. Knock on the door then. Shush. Excited. Nasaan kaya ang kanyang daddy? Ay. Say, call daddy.
Daddy!
Go, go. Daddy's there. Go now.
Hi. How's my baby? You good?
Yes.
You Humpty Dumpty?
Tell daddy about the worm na.
What one?
Did you put no touch in the room?
Where?
No touch in the room.
No touching the worm.
Which one, mommy?
And that's
Oh,
cool.
look on the room.
That's not a worm.
Guys, it's now 6:18 ng gabi. 6:18. Ayan. Nandito ako sa kwarto kasi kinuhanan ko si Paris ng kanyang shirt kasi madungis ang ating baby girl. By the way, guys, today pala meron akong natanggap na text message from the cargo company. Kasi tingnan niyo yan, guys, yung box na pinapakita ko sa ating video. Yan. Kung hindi niyo pa alam, guys, kung hindi niyo nakita yung mga old videos ko, yung box na yan, dapat sana ipapadala ko ng Pilipinas noong March. Yeah, around March. Kasi, di ba, uuwi nga sana kami ng Pilipinas noong May, pero na-cancel lahat dahil sa COVID. So, tapos hindi ko na rin siya pinadala after that kasi natakot ako ba dahil nga sa baka ma-stranded at baka mawala, ganun-ganyan. And I wasn't sure din kung ang mga cargos are okay, hindi naman ako nag-research. Basta, ang alam ko, natatakot lang ako baka mawala yung ating box. And puno pa naman yan ng pagmamahal at baka masayang lang ba. Kaya kinalimutan ko na lang muna. At alam nyo guys, full na yan siya. Very full na talaga. Yung iba hindi ko pa nga napasok na kasi hindi na talaga kasya. But, yeah, today may natanggap akong text message from them. Yung gamit ko pala pag nagpapadala ako guys is J. Cordon Express. Yan yung pangalan ng kumpanya nila. They used to be the Osan but I'm not too sure why nag-change sila ng company name. Pero ito sabi nila guys, good day. Our services here and in Philippines are continuous in spite of COVID as cargo is essential. Our Christmas cut-off 2020 dates for nationwide delivery shipments. What's that, anak?
Ice cream.
Hello, who gave you that? Who gave you that?
Ice cream.
Our Christmas cut-off 2020 dates for nationwide delivery shipments to the Philippines as follows. So sabi dito guys na yung next daw nila na Lord is 25th of August. Pero parang, ang tawag dito, mabilis na daw na mapuno ba? Tapos, 16th and the 29th of September, preferably Mindanao and Visayas. So, naisip ko guys na siguro ipapadala ko na lang siya for Christmas. So, ibig sabihin na ipapack ko na talaga to siya. Tapos, ibubuk ko for next month na pick up. Kasi nga, di ba, 16th or 29th of September para daw sa Pasko na delivery. So, yan na lang siguro yung gagawin ko guys. Kasi, I'm not too sure kung kailan talaga kami makakauwi ng Pilipinas. I really hope, pinag-pray ko talaga na sana sa Pasko this year makakauwi kami, but then it seems like it's impossible at the moment. Kaya I'm not gonna keep my hopes up. Ipapadala ko na lang guys para meron namang pampasko yung pamilya ko. And hopefully pag ma-okay na yung lahat, I'll just, you know, do another box later on pag pwede na kaming makauwi. But pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ayan, ready na talaga to ba? Yan sa ibabaw. Kahong puno ng pagmamahal. Hindi mo siya ma-open. Ay. Hirap siyang i-open, guys. Ayan, oh, mga saksak sinagol na yan siya dyan. Kahit ano na nakalagay. Yung mga gamit na hindi ko ginagamit dito, yung mga pagkain, maraming laman yung box ko na yan. 7 o'clock, magluluto na tayo ng ating hapunan. And yung lulutuin natin for tonight is... Oo nga ba? Binili ko to siya the other night, guys, sa shop. So, ito yung lutuin natin. Mag-beef stir fry tayo. Ayan. Yung binili ko pala is yung nagutad-gutad na kasi wala akong nakita doon na yung parang full pa ba. I think it's a bit more expensive kasi nakat na talaga siya. For this one, it's $10, guys. Ayan, oh. Yan yung meat. And then, magbili na rin ako na vegetables na nakaganito na. Ayan. Tapos, palisan lang natin ng rice. And yan na. Yan ang ating dinner. So, ito ang ating rice, guys. Di ba last time nakabili tayo? May nag-comment pala na hindi daw maganda pag inubusan mo talaga ng bigas yung sisidlan. Hindi ko alam yan, guys. Kaya, I'll make sure na hindi ko na siya anuhin. Hindi ko na siya imalhan ba o bugas. Nag-cut na ako dito ng onion, ayan. Meron din palang nagsabi, guys, na ano daw, tawag dito, bawal daw gamitin yung sobra-sobra na onion ba? Kasi remember last time nagluto ako tapos sabi ko na may naiwan kasi na half na onion sa fridge. Kaya ginamit ko. Tapos may nag-comment, hindi lang isa, maybe 3 talaga nagsabi na bawal daw gamitin kasi nag-absorb daw ng germs or something. Kaya ngayon, pag nagkakat ako ng, ng sibuyas, gagamitin ko na lahat. Hindi na talaga ako mag-iwan-iwan. The problem lang dito kasi sa Australia, kasi yung mga onions nila parang minsan malalaki ba? Kaya yung pag hiniwa mo, sobrang dami. Kaya minsan nag-half-half ako. Pero ngayon, I'll make sure na pag pumunta ako ng shops, bibilhin ko yung yung mga maliliit na onion ba? Para hindi siya masayang. Hi! Are you gonna watch Mama cooking?
Did you jump high? You heard you put the meat in? You heard Mommy put the meat in the pot, and she goes, Mommy's in the shower. I said, no, she's cooking.
Not shower na. Cooking the dinner is.
What's Mommy cooking?
Say hi sa tita Nakbe.
Cooking meat.
Hi!
What's cooking meat?
That's right.
Mommy is cooking meat, yes. Are you gonna eat this meat? Taras?
Say yes.
No, I'm not jump. No.
Taras is so fussy pagdating sa pagkain, guys. Mabubuang ako sa kanya. Excuse me. Wow! Put it on again. Wow, so beautiful. Are you a doctor na? You look at mommy? Lagi siklo yung mama na.
No, I'm a dentist.
Are you a dentist? Okay. Put it on.
You heard the teeth?
Oh, hi dentist.
I heard the teeth.
Dentist.
Oh, dentist.
Dentist put the glasses. There you go. My teeth is hurting, dentist. Can you please help me?
Okay.
Okay.
Show the teeth.
What?
Under there, hurting the teeth.
Hurting. That's the other way around, nak. Bali. Bali. Okay, maghilamos na ka na ka.
Show the teeth.
Okay. Come on.
So done.
Oh, now, check my teeth. You're a dentist.
So done.
All done? That was really quick. That was so quick.
Under the teeth.
You're a dentist. How about we go to the bathroom? We'll wash the face.
No.
Look, Mama's going now. Come on, let's brush your teeth and wash our face.
No. Daddy wash your face.
Okay, bye-bye, Tito Blippi.
Bye, Tio. Bye, Tito.
Bye, Tito. Tito is going to the moon. Tito is going to the moon. Do you want to go to the moon?
Mommy, I press.
Huh?
Hey!
Do you want to go to the moon?
Look.
What's that?
Did you pee-pee?
Tito Blippi.
Did you pee-pee? Put the hat on the glasses.
Put the glass on and the hat on and glasses.
Look, Mommy.
What's that?
It's Mommy.
It's mommy. That's an alien, nak. Hala, ipakita, nak. Imot yan.
It's cold.
It's cold, yes.
Spoke to an alien. What we talked about was how
There we see the ghost.
It's the ghost. Hi again, friends. It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi and nandito na kami sa bed. Si Paris ay nakabihis na. Naghilamos kami and nag-toothbrush and everything. And nanonood lang siya ng kanyang iPad. Ipapatulog ko na yan siya kasi may childcare pa bukas. Tomorrow is another day. Yes, that's about it for today's video. I've got nothing very special today. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta nyo sa aming channel. And it makes me very happy na nakakatanggap ako ng mga lovely comments. And yun talaga yung mga nakakapag-motivate sa akin na mag-upload pa ng marami pang mga videos. Welcome sa mga bago nating mga subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pag-hit ng subscribe button. Sana i-hit nyo na rin yung bell button para naman notified kayo palagi pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. And also, meron palang mga nagtatanong sa ating mga subscribers kung ano daw yung kulay ng aking hair. Ayan. So, hindi ko talaga siya alam exactly yung kulay niya, sis. Kasi, nung pumunta ako ng hairdresser last time, kailan ba yun? Mga May pa siguro yun. Nung pumunta ako ng hairdresser, sabi ko lang sa kanya na gusto ko yung buhok ko lighter, but without the bleach. So, ito yung na-achieve niya na kulay. Kaya hindi ko talaga alam. Mukhang brown siya na parang, ewan ko, brown na may pagka-blonde. Alam niyo yung ganun? Kaya tingnan nyo, mahaba na yung kanyang, tubo niya ba? Ayan. Kailangan ko nang mag-book na naman sa hairdresser, but closed lahat dahil sa lockdown. Anyways, mag-shoutout na tayo, guys. First, shoutout goes to Kusha Basham. Hello. Shoutout to Ritz Escape. Lee Kitchens from Bukidnon. Lisan Bansil. Shout out to Rosemary La Rosa. Lilia Vibal from Navotas. Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Shout out to Myla Betasolo. Edna Bartulay from Malabon City, Manila. Shout out to Susie Olarte and to Olarte family. Shout out to Milagros Alihaga watching from Calibo, Aklan. Shout out to Sylvia Mamalia Sambilad. Vilma Reyes from Espanya, Manila. LV Montealegre from Athens, Greece. Shout out to Marie Therese Buhisan from Talakag, Bukidnon. Liza P. Gloria Bustos. Mayan Lozada and her boyfriend Jeffrey Scott. Shout out to Elnora Grinja, Jonaline Pulido, Gladys Mandanhuyan, Jennifer Galicia, Lucy Gallego, Mary Jane Villarreal, Rose Lumeran, Bernadette Elmido, Medine Maraon, Me ASMR, Home Journey TV, Fe Guanes, Lohan Pasadas, Riz Channel, Jules Belt, Lenny May Bautista, Jing Diases, Our Life Australia Philippines, Jeran Ambe, Victoria Baptista, Myra Chanico, Merle Corpus, Joy Paragua, Debbie Azcuna, Vanji Terado, Chari Tamayo, Tess Arellano, Rinar May Ricahuerta, Ria Sicharon, Jenny Fe Bercero, Vivian Bayona, Norberta Nono, Remedia Caringal, Feli Ilamparo, Glenda de la Cruz, Ginia Dular, Sharon Ando, Maricel Torres, Elsa Navales, Donna Ladera, Regan Olesco, Maria Victoria Pangan, Christine Sahos Vlog, Kenneth Calderon, Mavel Fernandez, Sosing Sales, Evangelina Moral, LV Romboso, and Gemaline Javier. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah! Say bye, Nak!
No?
No, Malita.